If you've been playing pickleball with an old or cheap paddle, chances are you're making the game a lot harder than it needs to be. The right paddle can completely change your performance, giving you better control, stronger power, and way more spin on your shots. In today's video, we're breaking down some of the best pickleball paddles you can buy right now on Amazon. From budget-friendly beginner paddles to high-performance models used by professional players, this list includes options for every type of player. Some of these paddles are hidden gems that deliver incredible value, while others bring advanced technology designed for serious competitive play. And if you're interested in any of these paddles, you can find all the best deals and product links in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And now, let's get started with the list. Number 1. Tenvina T700 SC Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle. Now, I know Tenvina sounds like a vitamin brand, but don't let the name fool you. This is using raw T700 carbon fiber. If you're new to paddle tech, raw carbon is the gold standard because it feels like sandpaper. The real-life feel. When I took this to the courts, the spin was the first thing I noticed. If you're trying to learn that wicked topspin serve, this texture grabs the ball and rips it. It has a thick 16mm core, which means it's soft. When you're at the kitchen line trying to dink, the ball doesn't fly off the face, it dies on the paddle, which is exactly what you want for control. The downside. It's not a power paddle. If you want to smash the ball 100 miles per hour, you really have to swing hard. It absorbs a lot of energy. Bottom line, if you're done with cheap plastic paddles and want to start spinning the ball without spending $200, this is your entry point. Number 2. Generic fiberglass set. We have this fiberglass 2-pack set. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. This is what I call the guest set. The real-life feel. These are fiberglass, not carbon. Fiberglass is poppy. The ball shoots off the face fast, which is fun when you're just banging the ball back and forth with your kids. It's loud, it's lively, and it's lightweight. But because it's fiberglass, the sweet spot, that area where the hit feels good, is pretty small. If you hit the ball near the edge, the paddle twists in your hand and the shot dies. The downside. There is zero grit on this surface. It is smooth as glass. Do not expect to hit crazy spin shots with this. Bottom line. Honestly, don't buy this for a tournament. Buy this if you want to keep a spare set in your trunk for when your friends say, "Hey, what's pickleball?" and you want to get them hooked for cheap. Number 3. Storm 008, the Tech Sleeper. Moving on to the Storm 008, this one surprised me. It's marketing itself with aerospace-grade T800 carbon, which usually just means marketing fluff, but the performance actually backs it up. The real-life feel. This is a thermoformed paddle. That means the edges are sealed and heat-molded, not just glued on. In plain English, it's stiffer and more durable. When I played aggressive games with this, it felt incredibly stable. You know when you block a hard drive and your paddle wobbles? This doesn't do that. The V-SIC core they talk about basically just gives it a bit more pop than the Tenvina we looked at earlier. It feels crisp. The downside. The handle shape. It has this triangular lattice structure inside, which is strong, but the grip felt a little blocky in my hand. I had to add an overgrip to make it feel rounder. Bottom line. If you're an intermediate player who breaks paddles often, this thing is built like a tank. It's a durable workhorse. Number 4. Jojo Lemon, the clone. Okay, yes, the name is Jojo Lemon. It sounds like a knockoff yoga pant company. I almost didn't review it because of the name. The real-life feel. But here's the joke. It's actually really good. It is essentially a clone of the expensive $200 paddles. It has that same 16mm polymer core and T700 surface we talked about. It is shockingly quiet. If you play in a neighborhood where the Karens complain about the pickleball noise, this has a very low-pitched thud sound rather than a high-pitched pop. It feels plush, soft, and very forgiving. The downside. The Teflon coating they mention wears down after a few months of heavy play. The spin is insane out of the box, but it becomes just okay after about 90 days. Bottom line. If you can get past the goofy name, you are getting $150 performance for a fraction of the price. Just maybe put some tape over the logo.
Number 5. Selkirk Sport SLK Bundle. Now we step into the big leagues of branding with the Selkirk SLK Bundle. Selkirk is like the Nike of pickleball. The real-life feel. This is the SLK Atlas. It's a hybrid paddle, part graphite, part polymer. The main selling point here is consistency. I hit 50 serves with this and they all felt exactly the same. The weight balance is perfect, not too heavy, not too light. It's an entry-level paddle for a premium brand, but the quality control is noticeably better than the generic Amazon brands. The grip feels premium, the edge guard is tight, and it just feels professional. The downside. It lacks the raw power of the carbon fiber paddles. It's a control paddle. If you like to bang the ball hard, you might feel like this paddle is holding you back slightly. Bottom line, if you are buying a gift for your spouse or parent and you don't want to risk buying them junk, buy Selkirk. It's the safe, reliable choice.
So that was our list of the best pickleball paddles you can find on Amazon right now. Whether you're just getting started with pickleball, playing casually with friends, or competing in serious matches, choosing the right paddle can make a huge difference in your control, power, and overall performance on the court. If you want to check the latest prices or grab any of these paddles, make sure to look at the product links in the description below. And if this video helped you find the right paddle, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and gear comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.